6453 Poplar, Independence, Ohio. This is a lovely 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 3-car garage. Has a lot of room, ranch, in a great neighborhood. Lots and lots and lots of parking here too on this lovely cement driveway. Let's go inside. And we're going to be getting you through this house so you can see what we have. It's a beautiful home. It's got central air. Large living area. So this has a brand new flooring, paint, plugs and switches, lights. It's just a lovely, lovely home. And you can see here, it's nice. Let's go in here. There's 3 bedrooms right here. So here's your first one. It has some shelves we left in there. Newer windows. French windows, vinyl. Again, all new paint, all new flooring throughout. This flooring will last you a long time, but this is nice big bedrooms. And then by these 3 bedrooms, you do have 1 full bath right here. Looks like brand new. And then there's another, let me get this light on. So this one's another nice, again, all new flooring, paint, plugs, switches, lights. Went through the house and just is a very lovely, lovely house. Very rare house in this neighborhood to go up for sale. So here's your dining room. There's a nice big dining room that overlooks the front. Again, new flooring. Lots of space for dishes, storage. And here's your kitchen. New countertop. It's a nice big open kitchen that goes into another room right here. So this is your, you can use this for a room, family room, it's master suite, however you want to use it. It does have a nice back door here to the backyard. So you can see large fenced in yard. Again, you get that 3-car garage too. And then you have another bathroom in here. So all that's been redone. And you have a newer water heater. And the washer and dryer stays. You have a laundry room right next to this. And then you have one of your, this is your 3rd garage. It goes way back. So you can put whatever you want in here. They use it for a workshop. Then of course you have another 2-car garage. You have a new electrical box. It's a nice property. So this is 6453 Poplar. This is your virtual tour. Thanks.